Welcome to Brookside Admin's Pastel Tutor.
I'm going to briefly take you through the menu options in Pastel, highlighting the most important ones in each. On the File menu, the data integrity. Pastel is a double entry system, as all good accounting packages are. And we need to check that nothing has gone wrong with the hardware or the software or the power supply, which has created only half an entry. You can't make half an entry. Pastel won't allow you to. So it would be a technical problem. You need to do this frequently and have a good backup and system in place so that if there were errors in your data, you could go to your backup system. On the Help menu, we have About, which will tell you about your package. And the Pastel help is very strong. If you are in the program and you need help on something, if you push F1, you'll get topical help wherever you are in the program. Normal Windows functionality. Under Utilities, we have the Note Facility. You can attach notes to customers, suppliers, and general ledger accounts. The Forms Designer is very strong. You want to use this to customize your customer documents so that when it arrives on your customer's desk, they can see that this is your invoice with your logo. You can customize for emailing as well as for printing. The Setup menu is rarely used. You come into it once you've created a company. Alternatively, if you have change in any of your company details, such as your phone numbers or addresses. Otherwise, the customer control statements is where you come to change your statement message. So this would be the menu item that you would come to most often. The change menu is rarely used, once a year at year end. And the renumber codes feature is really good to use. It has the ability to renumber customer, suppliers, and cost codes, but not general ledger. On the View menu, we see what's been updated. On the Process menu, we put data in, and on the Edit menu, we create. Most of what we find on the Edit and Process menu is what we use on a day-to-day basis, and that information you can get to by using shortcuts, and it's a good idea to get used to these shortcuts as it is much quicker for processing. So here are our customer documents, supplier documents, and the cash books. We have payment entry type and a receipts entry type. When you're in payments, this whole line refers to payments. When you're in receipts, this whole line refers to receipts. Make sure you're in the correct entry type. Pastel Partner also has the option of recurring batches and post-dated batch entries. That was cash books. Having put all your data in, you must reconcile to your bank statement in Pastel. So you come and you put in your period, up until which date, and the closing statement balance, making sure that every transaction on your bank statement has landed in your general ledger. Journals. General journals should only be used if an auditing accountant tells you to use them, and never, ever, ever put tax in to a general journal. If you use tax on a line in a general journal, it will land on the wrong side of your VAT control account. This is where you would edit your customers, edit your suppliers, and edit your inventory items. The shortcut that's missing here is your general ledger. That we could reach by using the Explorer and right-click, Edit. And you hop straight into your Edit menu for your general ledger. At the moment, we are in Edit mode, and now we are in New mode. So that would be our editing to create, processing to put the data in. Having done all of that, you want to view your data. The general ledger financial reports give you a pre-written trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, and the transactions. These are your two most important entry types and reporting types in Pastel. The entry type details, because every single transaction goes into Pastel through an entry type, and your detailed ledger, because every transaction lands in a detailed ledger account. So to find out what you've done, you will look at your entry type details and your detailed ledger.
Thank you for joining Brookside Admin's Pastel Tutor. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. Have a great day.